It's raining. I'm hiding at Target under the overhang here in front of the store. I was on the bench and then it started raining, so I jumped behind it. It's been going for about 20 minutes now. I didn't know it was supposed to rain today. It was supposed to rain last week and it didn't. And everybody was like, yeah, it doesn't really rain in LA. Well, here we are. I guess this is Michael's fault. Asshole fucks everything up. Ugh. I hope it doesn't rain all night. I don't know if I can stay here all night or not. I know the store closes at 11. I was told that I could legally sleep on the sidewalk anywhere as long as I'm not impeding traffic, foot traffic. Like, as long as I'm not getting in people's way of walking, I could sleep anywhere on the sidewalk. And I shouldn't be in anybody's way. I'm behind the benches. Like, there's very little room to even walk back here, so most likely, if it's still raining when the store closes, I will ask permission from the people working here as they file out. I'll find out who the main person is and ask permission to just sleep here. There used to be a girl that slept on the bench, but she doesn't sleep here anymore, so I don't know if it's because they told her not to or if it's because she found a better bench. But yeah, that's the story right now. It is raining. I used to love rain. I used to love lighting a fire and getting a book and just sitting and waiting for the power to go out, listening to the storm outside. It's different when you feel safe. I wonder if I got that lightning on film. I'll have to watch it back to see. I know I got the thunder, but I forgot to count. What is it? You count from the lightning to the thunder, and every second means the storm is a mile away, right? So let's say that was about 5 seconds. That means the storm is about 5 miles away. If it's coming this way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 15. I think that was 15 seconds. Or maybe it wasn't even thunder I heard. Or maybe I'm stupid and I have no idea what I'm talking about and I'm fucking taking life tips from Poltergeist because it's my favorite movie.